What's happening, people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, I'd like every single person watching, yes, you, this includes you're listening to me right now, like, comment, share, and subscribe. The amount of people that watch the videos and are not subscribed is very shocking, to say the least. It's literally triple the subscribers. Like, there's so many people that come back and watch, but you're not subscribed. It's just one click of a button, people. Just one click. So let's get straight into this pair. So I've got quite a few pair of Valentinos. Two different types, the Rock Runners / Rockstud and the Bounce. This is the Runners. Again, the box is battered. I said again, like you've watched the other video. Box is battered because I've had them for a while. And for some reason, their boxes, anytime they arrive, they're a bit messed up. But yeah, I really don't like their labels, but the label on top is alright. So it says Valentino Rockstud, side, runner, leather, SNO, I don't know what that means, black on black, price tag, size. Let's just get into the shoe, man. So I will be honest, I have worn these, I believe, twice. So I had to like pack them like I haven't worn them because I couldn't be bothered to make the video, if I'm really honest. And plus it was Eid and these came last minute, so you know, don't blame me. We've got the boring old dust bags that no one uses, information booklet no one cares about, and a pair of laces no one probably ever uses. Do you like me wrapping them up, acting like I've never worn them before? But I clearly have. They don't come with those. Well, they should. I'll be honest, we're paying so much money for shoes, sneakers, whatever, and they don't come with a pair of shoe trees. Come on, people, it's only like £5 more. So I should start a petition for brands to bring shoe trees out. Let's just get straight through all the colours on this shoe. As you can tell, it's very, very colourful. So the sole, it actually held up well, you know, like, it's actually very good. So yeah, you can not really tell that they've been worn, because obviously I do like to step correct. So black on the bottom with these little, you know, pyramid type things. This is every Valentino runner has this sole, standard. And then it's got their Valentino Garavani made in Italy. Midsole, it's actually kind of like a grey colour. It's supposed to be black, but it's more of a greyish type colour. I don't know if you can tell that on the camera. You definitely can. It looks quite grey. And the back, we've got the Valentino, like, this is rubber, and it's got like the little spikes all built in around the back. The heel is all suede. I don't really like suede, but it is what it is. And Valentino loves to use suede on their shoes. It is good quality suede, but I just don't like suede. The heel tab is actually a tab. I'll have to take the shoe tree out. You can see it's actually a tab. It does lift up, but I'll damage this shoe if I lift them up, so I don't want to do that. And then we've got leather, very soft leather, soft but sturdy, solid leather. Harder and more like sturdy than the other leather that's on the Pradas. The Pradas is like butter leather, but you know, I'd rather have this leather slightly, so it's a bit more, you know, solid. Then we've got the little spikes. They did come with extra spikes, didn't they? I can't remember. Oh yeah, we've got the spikes on the side, those little studs. They are rubber. Got suede on the eye stay, suede again on the side, and then a bit of suede going around the top of the toe box. Leather toe box, which is actually holding up quite decent. You know when I walk in these, I have to proper make sure I walk with proper decent steps so they don't bend in, because when they do bend in quite quick. Look, the things I do for views, they do bend in, and you know, we don't like that. Then we've got leather around the toe again, and then on the inside it's literally exactly the same. Laces, we've got the standard Valentino laces that come on the rock runners or the runners, and then we've got that Valentino green logo label on the toe. Inside we've got the Valentino Garavani on the insole, and then, you know, Valentino on the insole, and then 43 whatever on the inside, and then information, so 43.5 whatever. But yeah, you know, at this price point now, these are like, they're not really in fashion. £500 plus, not it. When you get them for around 300, yes, that's fine. I think I paid like 4. I don't want to be quoted, not gonna lie, it was quite a while ago. But yeah, they were from a certain shop. If you know what the label's like from that shop, you will know where these are from. I'm not giving them a single customer because they're not paying me. I'm sorry, I don't do that. But yeah, let me know what you think of these Valentinos. They are, you know, old season, out of fashion, whatever, but I love them. Definitely have to keep the shoe trees in because they're leather. Keep the shape and make sure the leather keeps kind of stretched out. But yeah, really nice shoe. Personally, I really like these. I do have many colors. Some of them I've had for a few years now, so I don't really want to review them because they are like worn or whatever. This pair was worn twice, but you know, still fresh. So I wore them twice. What can I do, man? Sometimes I don't want to do videos, sometimes I get a bit lazy. But yeah, let me know what you think, people. I love them. Do you? And yeah, just wait a few moments, you'll see the on-foot video, and make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Take care, my people.